Hi everyone! Today I'm turning myself into Vanellope von Schweetz. This look is Vanellope's look but verified, so it's more in my style, it's sparklier. This is the makeup look I did. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did this, so keep watching to see the full makeup tutorial. For foundation, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation, and for concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix concealer. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Fenty banana powder. I'm gonna use a pink blush called Lavish. This is by Tarte Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. For eyeshadow, Vanellope wears a mint green sweater, so I kind of want to go for a mint green eyeshadow look. I was actually thinking of not doing like some makeup art on my eyes because my hair is gonna be full of candy. So I feel like if I have a lot going on in my hair and also a lot on my eyelids, it might be too much. So I think I'm just gonna go for like a simple mint green eyeshadow look. So in my Juvia's Place Culture palette, I have a really pretty mint green called Afro Beats. So I'm gonna use that one all over my eye. These Juvia's Place eyeshadows are really pigmented. I'm just gonna blend a little bit more down. Now, of course, we need some shimmer, so I'm going over it with this ColourPop SuperShock shadow. It is called Mint for You, so I guess it's mint for me. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and blend out all the harsh edges. I feel like I need a pop of color like in my inner corner to brighten up the look. I might use this Danessa Myricks palette called I Am and go for this shade, which is a mint green sparkly shade that shifts between green and pink, and it's called Brave. So I'm gonna be brave and try to apply that in my inner corner. Oh yeah, I think that's pretty, so I might use more than just from my inner corner. This is actually so bright. I wish I could show you in person. It's so pretty. So now I'm gonna add my eyeliner, and for this I'm using my one size eyeliner. Eyeliner is on. So Vanellope wears these mint green striped leggings, and I'm not gonna wear those, but maybe because they're like striped with like a really dark red purple-ish stripe color, then maybe it would be nice to like add that to my waterline. I have these three options. So this one is by ColourPop from the High School Musical collection. It's called Spring Musical, and this is another one of my broken liners, so it's like loose in there. So I'm just gonna swatch it. this is the swatch. So then I have this ColourPop one, which is called Charmer, and this one leans a bit more purple. Oh, it's actually very dark. It even looks brown. And then I have this jumbo eye pencil by NYX, which is in the shade Rust, and that is that one. I'm leaning towards these ones. This one might be a little bit too dark, like it might show up almost black, so I might go for the NYX one. I think that is exactly the shade I was looking for. I store my thin eye pencils separately from my thick ones. And yes, I do store them in mugs and cups and tumblers. So I'm gonna move on to lips. And Vanellope's lips are pink. I have these Kiko Milano Candy Crush lip products. I thought it would be like a nice theme for Vanellope. So I think I want to use one of these colors. This one is number 2. It is this pink shade. This one is number 4. And this one is purple. And this one is number 3, which is red. So I'm gonna go with number 2 because it's pink. But I am gonna add a liner. So I'm using this one by NYX Cosmetics in Rebel Kind. It looks a lot more brown, but I think that's probably because of the liner, but I do like it. You can really tell there is like a golden glitter to it. I do feel like I need to add back a little bit of that pink. So I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss by Sephora. It's called Outrageous. Like now it still looks like that brown with gold, but it does have that pink shine to it. Alright, so for highlighter, I wanted to use this one called Bleeding Heart by I Love Makeup, because you know at some point Raf broke her heart. Well, this highlighter definitely did not break my heart. Okay, so I think makeup is done. Now I'm gonna put on my outfit and get back to you. Alright, so the outfit is on. This is the mint green shirt with like a burgundy skirt. But first I'm gonna fix my hair. So Vanellope, she has her hair in a ponytail with like a Twizzler hair tie, which I don't have, so I'm just gonna use a red scrunchie, and you're not gonna see like the scrunchie from the front. And she has a bunch of candy in her hair. So first I'm gonna do the ponytail. I've purchased these thick hair ties, like they're really thick, and they really are a game changer for me. Like they really hold up my hair so well, way better than those like these thin ones. Like it really makes a difference, especially when your hair is heavy and you're doing like buns and ponytails. Those thick ones are great. So I've got this hair clip, which is like kind of exactly what she wears in her hair, like on the side here. I'm just gonna put it like right there. I I have these stickers which I'm gonna stick all over my hair. So I have these hearts, and I also have these stars. I also have circles and flowers. So I'm gonna add this big heart because I like it. Actually, I have another of these clips, so maybe I should add another one. Look. Gonna put right there. I hope it sticks. And then I'm actually gonna use a lot of these circle ones. Where did it go? Oh, it is there. I just didn't see it. These things are definitely falling off. So I would not wear these in the Disney parks. Is that enough? I think it is enough. She actually has a little bit of candy in her ponytail as well, but you're not seeing my ponytail anyway, so I'm not doing that. I found these earrings. They are by Lovisa, and I think they're perfect for Vanellope. I think I did good by not adding too much to my makeup because I do have a lot going on. I must say it's a really fun look. Yeah, so I opted out an actual hoodie because I wanted to like still make it comfy but verify it, so I needed some sparkle, and I'm loving this sparkle. And I think it does feel like Vanellope because she is covered in candy and she is a princess. I have this ring which kind of gave me candy vibes, so I figured I could wear it. I would like buy mint green tights with like sparkles in there, but I couldn't find those, so I figured I would skip the whole tights, like these ones with stripes. And she has like black shoes, so I figured I'm combining the shoes with the tights color wise. So I found these shoes. They're by Koi. They're so sparkly. They're not this exact shade, but I think they're okay. So I'm gonna put these on. Alright, so this is the complete outfit. Vanellope, but verified. This look is really fun because it's like it does scream Vanellope to me, but like in like a verified way. Like it's more my style. It's something I would definitely wear to the parks. I'm definitely ready to go racing like this. Well, that is the entire look. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know in the comments who I should verify next. And thank you for watching me sparkle.